I'm from Emilia, but I study at the University of Ferrara. At first I wasn't really sure what was going to do in the future, but I really enjoyed like sci-fi fiction and some like NCIS things, and I thought I would be a Lego doctor. But then I just changed my mind during my med students. I get to know Elbląg because of Professor Marano, but then I understood that it was suitable for what I was doing, what I was going to do, and what I wanted to do with my thesis and my last surgical internship. I can tell that here I could work and see the surgical area and the surgical field at 360 degrees, but at the same time I got the chance to mainly work at the operating room. So I was really close. I was at the table most of the time, and I think that was the best experience, the best thing about this experience. Because I want to be a surgeon, and because in Italy, especially in my university, where a lot of students, the hospital is very big, and most of the time I didn't get the chance to be so close to understand really what it means to be a surgeon and if I really want to be this in the future. And I think I will, and this experience was really helpful to understand this. Yeah, I think maybe prepared is, I will never feel fully and totally prepared, but at the same time I think I would be more prepared than if I didn't have this experience, and I think I know a lot of things that I wouldn't have known if I didn't take it. I've been here for just 2 months because I'm at the sixth year, so it is a busy year and I didn't get the chance to stay here for longer. But I really enjoyed the fact that Elbląg is safe. It's not really big, so I felt safe all the time and also not lost, you know, because I was in a foreign country, and it would have been maybe if I was in a bigger city. I think the biggest challenge was the language, because most of the time, not most, but sometimes people didn't speak English, or like directions and some kind of things weren't in English. So I think this was the biggest challenge, also because I'm not a very extrovert person. So I had to put myself in like not a comfort zone. But every time I managed to or tried to talk with Polish people that couldn't speak English, they were very willing to help me. The university was very welcome with me, but mostly Olga, because she was the one I worked all the time with. She was the one that helped me find the arrangement, the house to stay here. She was ready to answer any questions I had every time, and she were there all the time when I had any problems or anything. She was there all the time. I would recommend the Academy, absolutely, and because I think you got the chance to see a lot of things, to be with people that are very welcoming. Experience were very helpful for my career because, as I said, I had the chance to do things that I never did in Italy and that I would have known about if not in some years of experience. Like being at the table, and they made me do things like suture, which I never did in my university. And personally, I think knowing people here was very enjoyable. Spending time with them, everyone was very welcoming. And I also thought about my future abroad. So go on with my studies, not in Italy, maybe any other country, maybe Poland too. Thank you very much.